Cuddles Kids TV. Hello dear kids. Today we are going to learn the bird's name. So let's start the video. Our first bird is sparrow. Sparrow. Crow. Crow. Pigeon. Pigeon. Parrot. Parrot. Owl. Owl. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Peacock. Peacock. Hen. Hen. Emu. Emu. Duck. Duck. Goose. Goose. Eagle. Eagle. Mallard duck. Mallard duck. Wild turkey. Wild turkey. Swan. Swan. Vulture. Vulture. Ostrich. Ostrich. Flamingo. Flamingo. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Penguin. Penguin. Crane. Crane. Toucan. Toucan. Robin. Robin. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Hornbill. Hornbill. Old squaw. Old squaw. Thank you for watching, kids. See you in the next video. Bye bye.